And so this is a really useful command. I hope I've explained it well. There's also one more thing that I want to show you guys. For this, I'm going to clear out of here, and I'm going to change directory into the etc directory. And first I'm going to run this command, find in the current directory, type is going to be file, and let's say iname is going to be star.conf. And so the etc directory we discussed very briefly in one of the previous videos, that basically it holds configuration files for applications. And so the standard, at least what I've noticed with Linux, is that configuration files usually have a .conf extension. So if we hit enter here, we're going to see that we get a lot of things. And that's partly because it's, as you can see here, in etc/fonts/conf.avail there is a file. So this is recursive, which is pretty neat. But what if you don't want it to be recursive? Well, we can pass an extra argument here. So let's type the exact same thing. Find in the current directory, max depth is going to be 1. And then let's just follow with type F, and iname *.conf. So now you can see that the only things that it returned, that looked a little confusing. The prompt was right here. So everything over this, that's from the last command, so it was recursive, but we controlled the depth with this one. So what you can do, you can either go one level down, or if you want a max depth of 2, you can do that. And these are all ways of modifying the find to really hone in on what you're looking for, and you can pass multiple arguments. So let's only look for configuration files that are over 50K, and I don't know if we're going to find one. No, we're not. Let's remove the max depth so that it will be recursive, and 10K? There we go. So we found a couple. This file is more than 10 kilobytes. So again, that's how we use the find command, and this is a really powerful tool. I'm convinced that you guys, if you're using a graphical file manager, it's really not that necessary, because you can kind of look at everything and see so much more. But if you're working in terminal, I'm confident that this is going to be a command that you guys are going to be able to, hit the ground running with. This is, a really great and powerful tool. So thank you guys for watching. In the next video, we're going to be going over another really awesome command.